How's it going, guys? Today's going to be a little different style of video than I've done before, but today we're going to be doing some maintenance to Belle, my 2004 F150. She's a trusty steed and I love her to death. Bought this vehicle about 5 years ago with maybe 50,000 miles on it. Now it just went over 100,000, and so today we're going to be doing some fluid changes and a couple little upgrades here and there just to kind of get it to where it was when I bought it, because after the harsh winters here in Colorado, it's definitely taken its toll on the truck, and I'll show you guys right now kind of what I'm talking about. So you guys will see here, got some boxes, got oil. I only ever run Royal Purple with all my vehicles. This right here, AFE, this is a cold air intake system that we're gonna be putting onto the truck. Doesn't really add much performance value, but efficiency is really what we're going for when this truck only gets, I don't know, 9 or 10 miles to the gallon to begin with. So I'm gonna put that on. Also have a bunch of LED pods and stuff that we're gonna put on, because these have been on for 3 years now and both these guys are burnt out. Also, this bumper right here is going to go in, get repowder coated again because it's rusted out. Also, my front grille, this thing is like completely chipped off, rusted away. The next thing that's going to be done on the vehicle is new tires. So these tires I absolutely love. They're the Cooper Discover HT Plus tires, and I've had them on for 45,000 miles, which is very impressive. Should be getting some new tires today, so I'll let you guys know when those come. And then for the truck, all around on all four corners, all new suspension. With this front bumper that I have, it weighs not a lot, but a good amount. And so over the years, it's really just compressed down all my suspension. The leveling kit that I once put on it basically is just to stock now. So got all new Icon, coilovers, reservoirs, I think that's what they're called. Got that stuff coming, have new control arms for the front of the vehicle as well. It's my truck's super dirty right now, but I will clean it maybe next week once we're not supposed to get snow. But let's first get started with a oil change, filter change, and then we'll start getting into the air intake. So let's do it. A bunch of time lapses coming at you guys, and I'm probably gonna have to do this video over the course of 3 weeks as parts start to come in, but let's get the truck back to perfect. And there's also I haven't had windshield wiper fluid coming out of this little guy right here for maybe year and a half. But anyway, I got also like a $12 fix-it kit on Amazon to fix all this stuff so that I can have windshield wiper fluid again. So let's get into it, guys. Might be boring for some of you guys, but I don't know. Figured I'd film it because this stuff's kind of cool and I like doing my own work since I'm a YouTube certified mechanic. Yeah, big mechanic guy here. So let's get into it. Forgot to include the other day, but I did do a full compound wax on the truck, also polished absolutely everything, and then gave the truck a full ceramic coating on Monday. Today's Thursday. I've had to do a bunch of runs to the dump, drive on dirt roads. Truck's already super filthy again, so we're gonna go wash it and do a little detail and then go to some B-roll of what the truck looks like now. So thanks for watching, guys, and check it out.